In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Facebook using iPhone. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on what's on your mind, which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now from here, you will see the option of live video present at the bottom side of your screen. So you have to tap on that. Now you will be redirected to your camera. So first of all, from here you will see multiple options. For example, you can select the privacy of your Facebook Live. So you have to tap on the friends which is written on the top side of your screen. Now from here you will be able to select the privacy settings of your Facebook Live. So for example, if you wish to show your Facebook Live to only yourself, like for example you're doing it for a test, then you have to select the only me option. But if you want specific friends on your Facebook Live, then you can select specific friends. Now you can simply select the friends that you want on your Facebook Live. So once you're done with the privacy, you have to tap on save. Now other options are to reverse your camera. For example, if you wish to use your front camera instead of your back camera, you can very simply tap on this option. Now the last option is of the microphone. If you want to enable your microphone during your Facebook Live, you simply have to tap on this microphone option. So you can also add a description on your Facebook Live. To do that, you have to tap on tap to add a description. Now simply write what you want. So once you're done with all of these, you have to tap on go live and you will be able to easily live stream on Facebook using iPhone. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.